The Executive Master in International Development is designed for mid-career professionals that are or could be working at the same time. So therefore, we have designed a program in which we have an online period with live online sessions during the weekend and also asynchronous discussion forums. And we also have 3 different residential weeks, 2 in Madrid, 1 in New York. But these residential periods are face-to-face and more focused on the networking components and the exposure to the experts in the field.
The Executive Master also provides an opportunity for students with very diverse professional backgrounds and a lot of professional experience to network, to connect, to bring in the perspectives of the respective subject matter areas that they have been working in.
It's a perfect program for a person that has an eager to change the world for better, for candidates working in the development sector or willing to be part of it, and also people that understand the urgency of change on a global scale and that is also willing to learn through the practice.